We are going to see in the following video how to divide a line segment into certain congruent parts. Before doing the exercise, let us analyze the following figure. Let us assume that we have this line segment A3 already divided into three congruent parts. If we draw parallel straight lines that go through every part the line segment has been divided into, and according to Thales Theorem, any line segment that, starting at point A, meets the three parallel lines will be automatically divided by them into three congruent parts. That is, I draw a semi-straight line starting at point A that meets the three parallel lines, and all of the line segments that these three parallel lines determine on straight line R are congruent. This segment AB is the line segment that we are going to divide in any exercise. We do not know how long each part is, but it can be solved the following way. We draw a straight line that crosses it and starts at one of the line segment's boundary. We mark on this straight line the same measurements. We join the last mark with the other boundary of the line segment, and then we draw parallel lines to it that go through every other marks, so the line segment we want to divide gets divided. We are going to do the exercise in which we are going to divide this line segment AB into 7 congruent parts. First of all, we have to draw any semi-straight line that starts at one of the line segment's boundary, as oblique as we want, as long as its origin is this point A, this semi-straight line R. After that, we draw on this semi-straight line R as many congruent line segments as parts we want to divide the line segment into, one next to the other as long as we want. In this case, since we are going to divide it into 7 congruent parts, we draw 7 line segments, the same measurement, the one we want. This measurement can be done with a compass or with a ruler, as long as it is always the same, no matter how long, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So we have already marked 7 congruent line segments on this auxiliary semi-straight line R. Now we have to draw parallel lines. First, we join point 7 with the other line segment's boundary, point B, and then we draw parallel lines to line segment 7B that go through every mark we did before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The points where the parallel lines meet the first line segment AB divide it into 7 congruent parts, having finished the exercise.